1 month we have been for 28 July you check the list. Nobody is willing to talk. If someone is willing to talk, get them across. If they are not willing to talk, maybe there are no others. You cannot stay down on such issues. Everything has been explained. Everything has been explained. Whatever issue all had points with, they have explained. Now where is the question of diplomacy? You are saying putting social welfare. Social welfare is closed. What do you want to give us? Leave them there. You have to list them in front of social welfare.
police station
हाडलेले बरे आसा आमी आसा पळय अशें करता गांव काडून गेलो पण हांव सांगता
So the problem is the next to confirm the bank package. So the only person who include is the Department of Person with Disability and the Disability Commission. We not talk about it.
ना पोलीस स्टेशन बसून आसा
अजून बसलं आता कार्ड ते कार्ड बसवले
पोलीस स्टेशन एज्युकेशन
कोणा कुठे एज्युकेशन कोणा एज्युकेशन हां जमले अजून बसव तू बसव
Don't pass the buck. Now, we have already communicated to the PI of Canada.
Yesterday we told we said come.
He said
check
come.
out here.
Now suddenly he is not there and you are there. You give a different story. This has been happening with the administration also. Now he has passed the buck on to you. It looks like this. Because if he was told that we are coming, and he should have been here in the office. He brought you to talk to us. And it is unfair. So you are trying to prolong, put a burden on us. So we don't have the money. We cannot look after them. We have said it very clearly. And this is not 1 or 2 days. 1 month, 28th of July, you check the newspaper. In the newspaper front page, Navin Times, we have clearly mentioned. Print Providence is clearly mentioned that we are closing now. And you come and take them. 1 month, you come and take them. We are requesting the police. You please come and take them from wherever, whichever police station you have brought them.
See, we have all the police stations,
All the police stations
SPs,
have brought no-
everybody has got the letters. You can hear
They
it.
are given, you take them out, you see what it is. We are not taking. You transport them to the different police stations.
This is not an agitation. This is a humanitarian crisis. So don't think they are come to educate. ना ते काय झाले ना ते का काढले रे बाय तू दादा आता का पाय बसलो आणि प्रॉब्लेम लागतो ना
पोलीस स्टेशनकडे काय नाही.
तू साहेब फोन कर आपल्या तरी तू आता कोणाकडे परमिशन घेतलं ना तू बोले मरे पिकरा काय मरे मला सियाना गेलो होता एक ऑप्शन देतो आणि कायच ऑप्शन तुम्ही सावली
Sir, we have locks our home and we have brought them. Where you want us to take them?
सांगून येणार ना कष्ट घेऊन आलो आम्ही सगळ्यांना सांगून येणार बरे एक मिनिट तुला दाखवतात एक सेकंड
आमचे बाबली आपली गाणी
See, you cannot put the police post out. They give bad sign. They are saying let them sit in the shade.
पोलीस स्टेशनला नाही वाजवलं, प्लीज. हा रिक्वेस्ट करतो.
Don't try to take it.
सोशल वेलफेअर.
I told you this is not social welfare problem.
पोलीस स्टेशनला वाजवलं, प्लीज.
Then you are being adamant. अरे कौन एजुकेशन करता है? डिमांड
वेळमाट म्हणतात.
कोई
सोशल वेलफेअरकडे मागतात.
Bad walls. We should talk to the walls there.
तिला कौन है? कौन नंबर दिया? पर आम्ही
Sir, किती सांगितलं?
हाँ 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 तू मत कर
सोशल वेलफेअरकडे मला-
अरे इट इज नॉट सोशल वेलफेअर प्रॉब्लम
You must understand it is not, we are telling you it is not social welfare problem, still you are telling
काय
us.
आलं सर, तुम्ही export करता. भावना आहेत आता, एवढं काय.
यू टू व्हाट कौन आहे कौन
आमका भांगणार बघतो सोरंतून
सोशल वेलफेअर डायरेक्टर
You call him, you do one thing. Sir, you do one thing. Call social welfare department and tell we are bringing them here. You tell.
आम्ही आणले तुमच्याकडे कनेक्ट
यार देख ना इधर लाके बिठा रहे हैं उनको, वो बोल रहे हैं सीएम के पास भी मत जाओ। अरे 50% काबार झाले हे होती होता ये बाबा ये
We are now far away from that word agitation. We have done earlier, and we have requested for some relief.
So this is not the
This is not
agitation.
agitation. This is just very simple. See, all these people were brought by the police from different police stations. Correct? Now we have brought them here in the Panjim police station, and we are requesting the Panjim police station, you please send them to whichever police station they had brought them. First. Very simple. We don't have the money now. Cost of petrol is there. Cost of drivers are there. All this. So we are in a very deep situation.
तुम्ही केलं पोलिसांनी काल तुम्ही पोलिसांनी इन्फॉर्म केलं म्हणतात
1 month in advance, 28th of July 2025, there was a front page ad that came on the Loving Times and also in the Herald. Okay? And there we have said that police, you have brought them, please come and take them. Yogana. Then 1 month in advance, Donald has communicated to the DYSP, to the SPs, to PIs, and telling them, now here you come and PISPC. When he was told yesterday everything. So now there is a PSI here. So are we supposed to just juggle around with people and run
पोलीस
from one
तुमका
to
खंय वच म्हणटा आता सध्या
तर म्हणटा वर म्हणून सोशल वेलफेअर डिपार्टमेंटान घालता सोशल वेलफेअरान कितें घालता सोशल वेलफेअरान दारां बंद आहा ओके आमी कितें करपाचें हॉन्टी कडेन उलोवपाचें थिंगा नाजाल्यार तो सोशल वेलफेअर कोण आहा पळय तो कोणें सांगू सोशल वेलफेअर ते डायरेक्टर आपूण हाडलो कोणूच ना तो उलोवन सुद्दां मागीर कितें करपाचें आमी
हाडून पयले अशें पुलिसांनी दिला तुमकां आता पुलिसूच करू शकता
That is what we are saying. Very simple.
मिनिस्टराक अप्रोच केले
See, we have exhausted all diplomatic conditions, you can say, or communications. We have exhausted everything. And now we have, because everybody tight-lipped, they have developed cold feet. This meeting was held on 13th of March. Okay? 13th of March, everybody agreed. मागीर suddenly सगळ्यांक खणवाय जाली.
आता तुम्ही respective hospital or IPHB कित्याक पान because that would be
IPHB is full.
proper care मेळटलें.
IPHB is full.
So let them decide.
They are not ready to take one. No, they are not
get
ready.
care. You said there are some critical patients who require 24 hours care.
Correct. So to drop them in IPHB is not ready to take one person.
आता पण वेज ना हॉटेल नाव
Hurdle is that the administration and the ministers have remained dumb. कोण काय उलयना आमकोडेन काय उलयना दुसऱ्यांक कितें कितें स्टोरी सांगता ते आमच्या कानार येयले कशें जातलें
ओके थँक्यू
सर म्हाका मातशी कितें बद्दल मातशी हें सजेशन साहेब सर म्हाका इलेक्ट फोन म्हणा सर म्हाका पांयां पडटा हांव म्हाका पिसो रावपाचो सर सर दीज आर दीज पीपल आर कमिंग अंडर पर्सनली डिसेबिलिटी डिपार्टमेंट which is under blue policy आमी तेका सांगले न्हू आमी हेरे आम्ही कन्सर्न बीच में जे म्हणटाले आमी पुलीस नो वी विल गेट बॅक टू आतां गेट बॅक जाल्यार कितें दिताले हे पुलिसांक घातले तेंकाय वाचता येता कितें न्हू ते म्हणटा आमी घायता ना तुका फक्त तेंका फक्त प्रोसिजराक घालूं आम्ही गेले आम्ही प्रोसिजराक घेतले म्हणटा आम्ही म्हणजे हांव ना सर आमी ना आमी सगळ्या सांगून भायर पंचवटचा प्रॉब्लेम हो गुरु पावसकर आणि भाषा सांगला न्हू ते सांगला न्हू तेंका कितले फावटी आम्ही आता आउट ऑफ द वे घेऊन त्याच्या पुढे आता उलटे न्हू आम्ही पळय जाता The banner is this.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.